Hello, this is Paula, your dietitian on the mission of health and wellness. I've been getting a lot of questions from my clients asking me, how do I put a salad together in a few minutes? So I'm going to show you this. So today I'm going to be using a spring mix that I have. It's organic, very inexpensive, and I already washed it and everything. So I'm going to put it in my bowl. This is my bowl, and I'm going to just put it in. It's about 3 cups, or maybe a little bit more. I tend to like to use a little bit of kale. So what I do, I get my kale and I massage my kale so it kind of gets a little softer when you massage it. Then I put it into my salad bowl. And then I have some blueberries. So I'll pour some blueberries over and I'll put this out of the way. And then I like my banana, so I like to put a banana in for sweetness. So I will just cut up my bananas. Just cut that up in my salad. I'm not fancy. I don't do very fancy when it comes to my, everything has to be neat. Everything has, I like to put a little bit of onion into my salad. So to get that value. Some of those nutritional values in my stuff. And so it's up to you, depends on how much you want to put in. I sometimes will put a little bit of pineapple. So I chop that up real quick. And again, because I don't really use salad dressing, I kind of use the fruit as moisture into my salad. And this is my mango. I already get it peeled and everything because I tend to do a lot of prep work ahead of time. This way if I'm running late, and later I'll eat my mango. So I'll cut this out. And the mango is really, I use it a lot for moisture into my salad. So I'll cut that up, put it all over in my salad. And usually I can use like grated carrots or grated an apple, but these things I'm very sensitive to, so I can't really use it too much. I can do a little bit of beets. So you can put anything in your salad. Sometimes if I have leftover quinoa or brown rice, I'll sprinkle a little bit of that into my salad. This beet's very, very good for your digestive system. And so the next thing I actually will do is, and if you notice that my beans are no added salt, so I'll usually dump that over, or I'll dump either like a black bean. Sometimes you can use any beans that you want, any beans. So I usually just sprinkle some beans on my salad. And that's ready for me right there. And then what I do now, this is balsamic vinegar. I can pour some vinegar over it. And I actually make like a special sauce with pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and onions and pimento. And I put this into it. And I actually like a zing into my salad. So I'll pour a little bit over that. This is my mustard. It says no added salt. So I usually will pour some mustard over my salad, do the vinegar, bam, and I'm done. So that's how quick it takes to make a salad. So here's my salad. And that's my salad. And this is actually going to be my lunch today. So thank you so much for watching.